right, George, this was a big one for me, ductwork. If ductwork's not sized properly, it can mess the system up. It's been proven that 25% of loss in the heat and air system is through the ductwork. This is where it comes in to get your ductwork checked out. Make sure it's sealed properly, make sure nothing's came loose. Have you ever been in a house ductwork come loose?
Oh yeah. You go in there and it's nice and toasty in the wintertime, real cool in the summertime.
I've been in the houses in the wintertime, and it's like, boy, it feels good under here. And the supply ducts fell off the ducts over there laying down. If you get your system checked, good heat and air man goes all up under there and makes sure everything's working properly. Strapped and sealed code is what, every 4 or 5 feet?
Yeah, the ductwork has got to be, it's got to be secured and strapped. So what you don't want is, you don't want the ductwork to run and be strapped here and then way far down here and it has a big dip and goes up and then it has another big dip.
Code is every 4 or 5 feet.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to a system and the ductwork did this?
Oh yeah.
And it just went like a little snake down through there? That kills your airflow, guys. The more turns you have in ductwork, the more resistance you have. I tell you something else too, that's a big thing that we've noticed over the years. These hip roofs that builders build, and they have the little bitty vent on the top. What's that little thing called? Ridge vent. Half of them were covered up with shingles and tar paper so the attic's not properly ventilated. You know, that ductwork can pick up as much as 4 degrees temperature in a hot attic. If I've got 75-degree return air coming in and my attic is 140 degrees, and time it comes through the system and goes out the supply duct all the way to the bonus room, instead of getting a 60-degree supply air, now we've got a 65-degree supply air. We're not getting our 20 to 22-degree temperature drop, right? So I've lost 5 degrees because it's a house problem, not a heat and air problem. But the biggest thing is to make sure that ductwork is sealed.
If the air is not going into your house, it's going somewhere else. You're spending money for that unit to operate that you're not getting all the benefits.
You know, if your return's not sealed properly, under crawl space especially.
People go in the house, they know what the crawl space smells like. That's what you're putting into your house.
Right, I've been in the houses where it had black mold and the return duct was not right. Have you ever been to a house that had black mold in it?
Yeah, so once the spores get into the system, they're distributed. So wherever they come in contact for conditions for them to grow and thrive, then that's what's gonna happen.
I mean, you can make yourself bad sick, much less if you got kids. I mean, they can't handle it.
No.
So be smart, understand what the system can and can't do, and don't make stupid mistakes.